Abusia, come with me again. Oh, come with me again. Abusia, this is Humble 7 right here on Let's Platform Top Gossip 24. Ushami na wabuma said them fila mu manche one back pe and I mean why. Yesterday, me catch them say I have a new ghost team. It was South Africa. Now, Niama Aircourse was South Africa no. Or the Bemami, including how they are planning and everything they are putting in place now. Nina Minsabeka. And see today, me Wohana or reaching out to me because yesterday na me kasa about the entire situation Aircourse. And I all church me say the other place now is you ne Aircourse wa Igbo for no akwa eleti omu leader no. And I say omu Igbo king no. Zulu for you understand me? Omu ana omu ankasa no. Baby omu wono uka brofo kra ombeka omu Zulu. Uka brofo kra I say omu ntini ya woka no. Omu Zulu kasa na no moka. Ewo East London why I say o Cape. Ewo South Africa hono. Now me bisa no catch them say you know what? There are a lot of things I will have to say about this, but I will be able to do that when we are able to come on live stream. So I will explain to people exactly what these people are capable of doing on their land. Because even if you are in South Africa, even if you are South African and you travel to that place to go and work, you will not be able to stay because in their market they speak their Zulu, in their schools they speak their Zulu. When you speak English with them, they speak their Zulu. They don't care about you. And Mama said these people are able to penetrate to do what they are doing, and that there's a plan and guys, I'm going to tell you what is going to happen. Today is what? We'll share me 28th of March, and I will share me. What do I say here? 2 days from now, there will be something else that will happen in that East London where Cape South Africa. Something significant and something massive is about to happen on that particular day. Not even what you saw on TikTok now. According to my ghost team, these guys have been meeting from place to place. And also, they have various leaders, and they don't care about government. That's one thing. Or see they don't really care about government. They believe in their traditional rulers more than even the central government. And answer Mr. Cyril, your president, South Africa. Or see, they don't care about government at all. If they want to do something, they will do it, and they don't care about government. And says, what about the police? Or say, no, even the police officers, no. What's that particular East London, South Africa, or see, even the police officers in Krano, they believe in the culture of the people, and they know say they are Zulu people. So for them, they don't joke with their culture. And can say you come from another place and come and interfere and be doing what they are doing. Now, near nasa Igbo leader or say near man no more planning the man no Krano in the next 2 coming days nebano or Benuni who say or yes idea. Now let me tell you exactly what it is now, because we are in the middle of it. So let me tell you what they are planning to do. Now, 30th of March 2026, the Zulu community, 30th of March 2026, 2 days from now, the Zulu community will organize a massive demonstration on the street of that particular community. And they are giving that Nigerian man an ultimatum. On two fini fiho and now say on yale wo fiho, like it should get missing. Otherwise, ombe paino, oman paino, ombe shini fi. Sano can say, look, these people, they don't care about government at all. They don't mind. Or see, it's not what you are doing in Ghana. No, Sano catch it. They say, but this or say the same thing now. Self-acclaim and battle fake Igbo in here Ghana. The same thing in a way swear you now. They will finish him. Sano can say they will finish him at all cost. This or Johnny Fio. Now, a woman who says, Igbo papa no. Wabeye video. Now, video no, no. He's talking about Yoruba for what Ghana. See. He's complaining a lot about those people. Now, I wouldn't want to waste much time. Young cautious our video no. Yeah, bad because I put that question to my ghost team. Me put this question on me one particular answer. So let's go and watch that video. Yeah, but I'll come and tell you what he told me about that particular man and why he think there's a one Johnny if you are on baby, you know, young video number.
You can never be king in somebody's land. You can never be king in somebody's country. You want to protest now to go and steal people's goods, entering checkers and pick and pay game everywhere, stealing phone, because that is their plan. Because anytime you protest, you want to rob many shops. Please do not allow Yorubas to destroy South Africa the way they want to destroy Ghana. Now, president of Ghana and Ghana people have understand that Yoruba people are useless in their life, are useless, are coward, are chameleon. Now that Igbo Ghana are still living there doing his work, because he's not Igbo, he's not the king of Ghana. What is your problem? Some of your people thinking you are killing like Igbos. We are not your king. No Igbo man is a king in South Africa. No South African king. Many Igbos who are king in Nigeria are living in South Africa. If you don't know it, you know it very well. ANC know it very, very well. If ANC doesn't know me, they know it's.
Alright guys, now I believe that you guys saw that video. That particular video and the interaction, according to what I'm hearing, Sa Igbo Papa Mr. Igbonna, your Facebook live, Tio, or person or your Facebook live, and a kweku, fire, and a kweku so be interpretation. And I put it to him, say, but you are there in South Africa. Say, no, baby, I me one. A different crowd, but these people, I know them. Maybe I know, and I know exactly, and I have somebody also in there. Oh, mommy, perfect rundown. Niyama ekosono so onamha is a very big careful because Zulu for Zulu for Omono, they don't English crown. When you are talking to them with English, they will say certain things. One you say on Adam for be cry ekonye jumo wa honma when to mean tran hono esen dwane free on because at the end of the day, they don't give gaba. They want to belong to themselves only. And the only thing na ebema sa papa no ni wato ni say obe dwane free sa particular area hono akọ different place and yes dia information or pick it say they will definitely do something to that particular man before the end of the year because Omono they don't tolerate what is going on in Ghana. Kura osi Ghana for the agro and the yedi. We are just but we mono they don't care. Omuhono omu political system so different. Yeah dear totally but more totally different kura. Say niama ekosono. I am here to tell you say you see Ghanaians are very patient but South Africans in that part of South Africa no omunyes are patient no 30th of this month there's going to be a mega demonstration in South Africa against all foreigners. All foreign, say Omakoyama, Akokama, even Ghanaians living in that particular province, no, Omuhanya, even Zimbabwe living in that no, Omuhanya, because according to my ghosting, no, they don't care. Omono Uka English pet, they know you are from Nigeria. Uka Onyaka English pet, they know you are from Nigeria. So that is the problem. This Igbo, Mr. Igbonna, Akofa, Ediabre. Foreigners or South Africa says here I'm here to tell you what is about to happen. But tomorrow, and I say and live stream I'll bring my ghost team member and he'll come and explain certain things. So you also understand what is going on. This is your humble servant right here on this platform, Top Gossip 24. Ushami I know Abumaka say fila. I have another info with respect to these two Igbo leaders from Ghana to South Africa. They are planning to do something and I'll bring that to you guys also. We'll meet on the live stream at 1 p.m. because there's a lot of things out there we have to talk about. Pia Eko.